What I'm hoping I have my camera focused on, stuck up against the eyepiece of my spotting scope, is a transient swarm of bees who have made a temporary home in our backyard fig tree. I was alerted to their arrival by ranger and found them swarming in a pretty excited state right outside the back door. Fortunately, none of them had come inside, and in fact I've been around these kind of nomadic swarms before, temporarily nomadic, and this is actually a time when they are probably at their least aggressive, as I understand it. And in fact, I walked out right amongst them along the patio and wasn't troubled at all by any of them. Typically, this is a queen and her court, so to speak, like I know what I'm talking about, who've broken off from a hive. Maybe it was disturbed, maybe it was damaged, but they've gone in search of new digs, and what they will do as they look for a new place is camp out. And this is an example of a camp out. A lot of people will freak out because you've got what's essentially thousands of bees a few feet outside a back door, but I see no need to trouble any city services or anything like that, because I find that if they don't set up a permanent home, and they wouldn't in a tree, they would find some other more sheltered facility, but they don't last, they don't hang around very long. They kind of take a breather, do whatever bees do, have some committee meetings, get the word out to the mass, and eventually they go away. Of course, I could be full of shit. But I have indeed encountered these swarms before, and barring anything unusual, that's what they do. And they are welcome here.